Well, we talked about some of your home remedies for bad breath earlier in the show, but what should you do when you find yourself in this situation?
Hi, doctors. I have a really big problem. Well, it's more of a really smelly problem. Ew. See, my best friend, who's actually asleep in the other room, he's got this really, really bad case of bad breath. He rarely brushes his teeth, and whenever we watch TV, I can literally smell his breath from across the room. His breath seriously smells like stinky feet and dog food. Doctors, can you please help him come out of hiding?
Well, Sarah's here, and were you able to talk to this family member about this issue?
It took a lot of arguing and a lot of persuading.
So we were able to get them to come?
He's
you know what? Why doesn't he come on out?
Okay.
We're joined by Sarah's dog, Chewy, and her mom, Michelle, as well as veterinarian Karen Halligan. Hi, Chewy. So Chewy has bad breath problems like a lot of dogs. Why do dogs get such bad breath?
Well, first I have to say that bad breath is not normal in a dog. They should be able to give you a big kiss and not knock you over. So it's always a sign of ill health. So some of the things that can cause it, they can get tumors in their mouth or bones stuck back there, even autoimmune disease, diabetes, and kidneys. But the #1 reason is dental disease, tartar, and gingivitis.
All right, so let's just say you have run-of-the-mill gingivitis or tartar. Chewy, I'm not saying that's what you have. It's just a possibility, okay?
is.
That's why you're here. This is a problem we need to address. So what do we do?
Okay, well, I'm going to use this prop here because dogs have teeth like ours. They have baby teeth, and then they fall out, and they have the adult permanent set of teeth. If you don't brush their teeth, you know when you go camping and you get that slime after a day of not brushing? That's plaque. And day after day after day, if you don't brush, this is what their teeth look like, and they eventually rot out. That's right.
But dogs obviously can't floss and brush their teeth, so.
Right, so you have to brush their teeth, and you should do it, if you can, every day, at the very least every other day. And some people feel nervous to try a toothbrush because they're kind of big, so you can do this like little finger cut like that. So let me see if he'll let us. Have we ever brushed his teeth?
Never.
Okay,
So.
well this is kind of cute and green. So let's see if he'll let us. Oh, you know what? He has a lot of chunks of tartar on his teeth like this. So I can see that he has already a huge buildup.
So does he need to see the doggy dentist?
He has to go to a vet and have his teeth cleaned professionally. But what you could do in the meantime is there's these sprays, plaque off that you can spray, and then there's also like a little a solution you can squirt in there, but he definitely needs to get his teeth cleaned. And then you can start brushing.
And to cut to the chase really quickly, so you're probably willing to brush Chewy's teeth. I won't brush my dog's teeth. I'm just going to be honest with you. I will, it's just not something I'm going to do.
But you know what? It's shortening his lifespan significantly.
But what can I do besides brushing your teeth?
Well, you can give them raw hides that have enzymes.
Okay.
That'll help, but you really got to think about it every other day,
If
1 minute.
Come over every other day and brush your teeth. That's
all
cool.
right, your office call. I charge a lot.
But we need to pay attention to our pup's health. I promise. She's 11. She's very healthy, and but I do give her things like raw hide.
Does she have bad breath?
No, not really.
Check her teeth tonight when you go home.
Now you're making me feel
Look
guilty.
at her
No,
teeth,
I'm just kidding.
smell
But
it.
so take care of our pets' teeth.
Yes.
And Chewy, you know what? You did a good job here today. Thanks for agreeing to come on the show. Thank you all so very much.